This is the outside of our house. With my wife walking down. There's the garage. Alright. We'll continue this tour as we get in the entrance. Whoa. Alright, so we're gonna have to get this fixed right here. Instead of 3, we just want.
We don't like it like this.
We
want it to go like this.
Yes, straight across. So
this is the dining room.
Dining room. And right here, as soon as we get in the entrance, there should be an art niche that I'm sure they will put in there. Walking through the hallway into the living room. Fireplace back there. It's gonna be the kitchen.
A breakfast nook.
Breakfast nook back here. Exit to the backyard. Back into the living room. Backyard. Gonna be the home management center right here. The pantry is right here. The dining room right there. This is the hallway. Walking towards 4th bedroom right here. The bathroom. Bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 2. Walking into our room. This is where all the magic happens. It's a bay window. It's gonna be the shower. The vanity's gonna be right here. Bathroom. Hold on. And then the master. Ariana giving kisses.
Can I have kisses?
Give it. She's quite the kisser.